have not stopped wondering about what we gave up.
Do you regret it?
With every part of my being.
You're listening.
Saw the price.
Unlike most,
Yeah, well, you don't know the half.
Why are you here? I've seen the way Jasper Frost looks at you.
Someone needed to look after you.
I wanted to see you.
I walk the halls invisibly. I climb the walls.
Say the
No
truth.
one sees me.
I'm no one.
No one but you.
As if he heard me, he smiled, and his face was like the sun.
You've always loved the strange birds. Now I want to fly into your
changed my entire
world.
I haven't invented words for how much I like it. I want to fly with you on Dragonback, see the great wonders across the narrow sea and eat only cake.
You have no idea the sacrifices that were made to put you on the throne.
I'm being serious. I'm never just okay.
I accept even the grossest, creepiest, but
I love our story. Sure, it's messy.
We're a mess.
But it's the story that got us here.
You showed the spirits, a true warrior.
Only those who cared for me were still here to see.
You see the pain.
Is there a way of showing
Together
feelings?
we can.
Make sure he gives you a great love story. One for the ages. It's gonna be one for the ages.
It's just Jack and Rebecca. They were one.
We fill the gaps. You and me made three. I was meant for you and you for me.
All those years ago. Not a day has gone by when I haven't thought of you.
I'm not
going anywhere.
Just you and me. We against the world.
Against the world. There's no place that I would rather be by your side.
I knew there were things that we couldn't repair. I knew what I had to do. It's not clear for me anymore. I look at you and I stop thinking. From the moment we kissed on the beach, I thought you knew.
Why did you throw it all away? I thought that we loved each other.
We did. I've always hated watching you.
That's why I did it. So you miss me. We return to heaven. Why? I've left something behind. We don't choose whom we love.
Stay with me.
I want to
Do you love
fly
him?
into your
Please.
world.
No,
I
Dora.
want to be
I can't save them.
I'm willing to go. My place is here at 𝒂𝒑𝒂𝒏𝒈𝒆.
𝒂𝒂𝒏𝒕?
How it is that someone can go from being a total stranger to being, or not being a footnote,
Footnote.
the most important person in your life, and the story of your life.